This is the battery. We are going to jump, as you can see, it is got a positive and the negative terminal. We are going to jump start with battery tender, 2000 amp. So you can see a car symbol with the hood open. Open this. This can just allow the terminals only the right way. So you will not be able to put it the wrong way. So you can see one side is flat over here. So we're going to fix it like that. Okay, then just place it at a comfortable spot like this, and first you start with the positive one, and then just be a bit careful when you are doing the negative one. You may get a spark or something. Okay, now you can put this thing on. It's just going to tell you the percentage. We have to give it some 15-20 seconds and then try turning it on. Let's go inside the car and find out if it starts. One thing you need to do is, once I hit the start button, if it stammers a little bit, try giving the accelerator, so it should work. It started fine.